What is going on, guys? Sorry, I forgot something. It's been a bit over a year since I uploaded my first video, and that was on these, the BlueAnt Pump Soul wireless headphones. Well, I've been using them since then, and I think there's something that everyone needs to know if they're planning to buy these. This is not going to be a comprehensive review on the headphones, since I've already done that, and I'll link that up here. But instead, this is more of an update of what happens after you use it for 1 year. Let's get right into it. When you spend close to $100 on headphones, this comes with certain expectations. Like for one, you expect them to last you a couple years. Well, that's a problem. Since I've only had these for 1 year, and there's already starting to be cracks on them. Mine are already starting to show the wear and tear. There are cracks appearing on both sides of the headphones, where there are 2 screws, which I assume are holding the top cover together. As of right now, it doesn't affect the actual usability of the headphones, but these cracks could become worse and break off. It's very unfortunate that a decent pair of sports headphones are experiencing problems like this. However, this needs to be highlighted, as new buyers will not know what they're getting themselves into. Now, I'm not saying that every single pair is going to have the same problem, but I just think that you should know in case you're planning to buy these. Anyways, hopefully you found this helpful, and if you did, please support the channel by liking and subscribing for more content like this. Until next time, don't forget to keep it real.